Hey, what's up? Rate my rip. Okay, so after the post I made, I decided on the challenge contest, whatever you want to call it. Same shit. So what we're gonna do is not next week's show, but the 2 weeks after that, the 18th. I'm gonna be showing them then. And what I decided to do was the Name My Trick challenge. Okay, so basically what you have to do is come up with your own trick or a combination of tricks or however you want to do it. So, but here's the catch: you have to call it, whether you vlog it and talk about what you're gonna do, or you put it in like text in the video or whatever. Either way, but you have to call it so that other people know what they're looking at, basically. So that'll be on the 18th. I'll be showing them. Here's the thing. For the prize, as you guys know, Pyro Drone has been sponsoring the show. And I've been doing the $25 gift card. So what I'm going to do is, a week from today's show, there's going to be no prize. It's just going to be like a regular show. I'll show your videos and stuff like I normally do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that gift card and the one for the 2 weeks after that. So the prize for the contest will be a $50 gift card to Pyro Drone, and I'm going to throw in a set of 3D prints. So you're looking at like a $75 value for doing this contest. So hopefully that'll bring in some good submissions. I'm going to limit the videos to 2 minutes each. Whether you want to send me the video directly or upload to YouTube as like unlisted and just send me a link, however you want to do it. As long as I get it and I have access to it ahead of time. I do ask that you don't post it ahead of time. I'm going to do them all live on the show. And yeah, that's basically it. So good luck, and may the odds be ever in your favor. All right, bye guys.